Down here we got a little leak going on. This is the vacuum breaker. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the vacuum boot that goes in here. Definitely gonna have to turn this off. So this is the control stop. Turn it clockwise, turn off the water. Make sure the water's off. It is. Remember, we got the water off. So it's good to use a pipe wrench or pliers with flat jaws. That's what I mean, that there's no jaws or teeth here to mark up the chrome. Go ahead and wrap a towel around here because you are going to drop some water. Now we're going to spin our flush body. Away from the vacuum breaker pipe. There we go. Usually you just pull out the vacuum boot here. This one's down in there pretty good. Get a screwdriver. There we go. This is what we want to replace. This is what it looks like, all kind of a little bit nasty. It's like rubber gaskets, like all seals and gaskets, they get worn. And we got another one in the box. This one's by Sloan. Just happened to build this building is a Zurn building. I have some of these Zurn downstairs, but that would be me walking down there and back. So let's just go ahead and use this one from Sloan. So there's 3 pieces. I'm gonna put this plastic rigid cone in here. There's usually a piece of cardboard washer. This is what it came with. I was just looking something cardboard color. That goes on top. Okay. You know, guys, they always come out with new stuff. Always gonna make stuff different too. Go ahead and get your boot in there. Let's line it back up. Could have made that a little looser, but we'll be all right. Just beware once you break these open, you gotta be really ready to go to replace all O-rings and gaskets. There's an O-ring in here. There's a spud gasket down here. There's some more washers also down there. Anytime you touch old plumbing, you touch one pipe, you're messing with the other pipes and the other connections, and you could have new leaks. So just be ready to go. Replace it all if need be. Or if you want to do a good preventive maintenance, to replace it anyways. Get some tissue here, dry this off. So I can snug it down better. This down. And then I'll turn the water back on. And check for leaks. There we go. Alright, we got the water off. Let's go ahead and turn the water on. See if we get any leaks here. So far dry. Do a test flush. Looking good. Bring it back down. I guess we were leaking over here before. That's flush. We are good.